Welcome back on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to ask some question to Ananya. And Ananya, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Ananya, first you tell in which class you are studying.
8th class.
You are studying in 8th class from private school or government school?
Government school.
Okay, so I want to know which is your favorite subject.
My favorite subject is science and English.
But why science?
Because I am able to score more marks in it and I am having too much interest in it.
And why not math?
Because I am weak in that subject and I don't like to solve the mathematic problems.
Okay, you are speaking good in English. How is it possible?
It is possible because of my some important points which I think that that's important to learn the English.
So, would you like to share your future dream? What is your future dream?
Yes.
What is your future dream?
My future dream is I want to be a teacher.
Okay, you want to be a teacher. So, can I ask some questions which I have prepared for you?
Yes.
Okay. So, I want to ask the question, what is your opinion on this learning institute?
I think that this is the best learning institute I have seen in my area, because here I am able to improve. Here I am able to learn all the how to speak the English, how to improve your skills.
I have another question. Can you give us some tips how to improve our speaking?
Some tips to improve the speaking is that you need to practice daily. You need to collect the knowledge. If any topic is given to you, you will not be able to explain what is that. If you are not having the knowledge about it, you need to listen the news. You need to do practice in front of the mirror. You need to know that what are the current affairs. You should be the confident every time.
Do you think to learn English practice is more important? If yes, so why? If not, so why?
Yes, for learning English, the practice is more important, because every day if you will not be practicing, you will forget that what you have learned in the previous time.
Okay, what do you think? What would you like to speak confidence as an English learner? Why is confidence very important?
Confidence is very important as an English learner, because if you are a learner, you need to be confident in front of speaking a crowd. You will always hesitate somewhere. You will be nervous. You will not be able to express your words.
So, can you tell us what are some worst regions of the English learner who cannot speak a better English?
So, according to me, for a English learner, he or she is not practicing more. He don't want to be confident. He is having a hesitation and a nervousness in their heart. They are not able to express their words.
Why, as a English learner, you should complete your basic concept of English?
If you, as an English learner, you need to complete your basic English, because without the basic, you cannot be go in the higher improved.
Okay, according to you, as a learner, atmosphere matters to learn English or not?
Of course, the atmosphere matters more, because if around you if you are learning English, around you the people are speaking the English, they are talking, they are conversing. So of course you will be confident. You will feel free to speak. You will learn something from them.
Okay, can you give some your opinion on the nowadays students, how they are doing their study?
Yeah, I think that they are doing too much hard work, because now time there are lot of the competitive exam, government exam, private. They have to cross them. They are 1% students can pass only in that. They are wasting their most of the time. They want to use that time. They are now time there are a lot of the distraction, because of that. There is too much hard work in their work.
Okay, do you know about AI?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think that is AI making our life better or not?
Of course, the AI is making our life better, because now time, if we are having any doubt, if we are not able to solve any kind of the problems, we are having any problem and anything, so we are able to ask to the AI. We are able to yeah, we are able to understand from it.
Okay, now last question which I would like to ask to you, that is, do you like problems?
I like problems because the problems make me strong. They are helping me to understand the real value of the things.
Okay, so Miss Ananya, thank you so much to be the part of this interview.